Hey, what's up guys, it's time to review a new smartwatch, and this time I will be reviewing this smartwatch from Tinwoo, and this model is Eclipse. So before we get into the review, let's talk about some of its specifications quickly. Now as you can see that we have a circular screen design here on this watch, which is great, and I like this form factor a lot. So the screen size is 1.3 inches, it is a TFT LCD panel, and the resolution is 240 by 240. It is not the sharpest of the displays out there, but it does the job pretty well. It weighs at around 62 grams, so feels really sturdy on the wrist. It has a battery capacity of 300 milliamp hours and it charges within 2 hours, so that's good. And it has a standby time of 20 days, and if you are using it continuously with different features turned on, then it obviously will not last you 20 days and will last you around 10 to 15 days depending on your usage. It charges magnetically with a magnetic charging cable that comes in the box, so that's easy. It connects to these magnets at the back, these ones here, so that's easy and straightforward. And finally, it comes with IP68 rating, which means that you can easily use it in shower. Splashes will be fine as well, and you can also swim with it, so that's also really cool. Now the watch is very well built. It has this metal case all around, and we have this metal rim on the top here, and we have these really nice metallic buttons. I don't know, I think they're plastic maybe, but they certainly look like metal and feel like metal, so maybe they are metal. Anyways, it has a very nice look to it, and it is very well built. As I've already told you that I like the circular form factor. On the back we have the heart rate sensor, and then we have magnetic charging connectors here to which the magnetic charger connects, and then we have removable straps as well, so you can easily remove them and change them if need arises. On the wrist, it feels like a very sturdy and good looking watch, and I like this very much. And obviously it also feels like a high-end watch rather than a more affordable version, so there is that. Now there are 3 buttons on the side here. So this one on the top here is basically for turning screen off and on, and if you press this button in the middle, then it takes you to the timer and countdown, and this button on the bottom will take you to your workouts. Moving on, let's talk about the software running on this watch, which is a custom software. So if you swipe down, it takes you to your notifications. If you swipe up, it will take you to your quick settings, and here we have do not disturb mode, battery saving mode, we have music controls here, and then we have find my phone mode as well, so you can find your phone really easily with this watch. A very handy feature actually. And then if you swipe left or right, it will take you to widgets. So if you swipe right, we have our steps here, distance covered, calories burned, and then we have heart rate, and finally we have sleep tracking here as well. And if we swipe left, we have breathing exercises, our activities, timer, and then settings. And in the settings, you can actually change the brightness, you can change the screen on time, you can also change watch faces from here. So if you swipe up, you can see more watch faces, and which one you like, just tap the tick mark button and that will be set. Moving on, let's talk about some of its fitness features, and I have already mentioned some of them here. So we have 8 sports mode here, we have a walk tracking here, running here, and then we have trekking here, cycling, and we have badminton, table tennis, basketball, and then football. So we have indoor and outdoor activities. It covers the basics pretty well. Not a lot of activities that are usually available on some other fitness trackers are available here, but things like running and walking are available, and you can track them really easily. So if we go in here and start the tracking, then you can see all the information here. It tracks your heart rate, your distance, your calories, shows you the time, and then you can see all the basic stuff here and number of steps here as well. So there is that. Apart from that, we also have breathing exercise here. So if we go in here, it will actually tell you to inhale and then exhale and helps you relax, so you can do that. Then we also have sleep tracking. So if you want to track your sleep, all you have to do is just wear the watch and go to bed, and it will track your sleep, and you will get your information here, how many hours you slept. And here you can see that it tracks your heart rate as well. So if we go in here, it will start tracking the heart rate and give you a live heart rate. So let's wait for it. So there you go. We also have our step counter here, distance covered during the day, and then calories burned during the day available here, which is great. And then we have some other health related features that are available in the Tinwoo app on the phone, and which I will show you now. So in the Tinwoo app, in the sports settings, you can set up high heart rate alert. So you can go in here, you can turn this on, you can change the vibration type, and then you can also select the highest heart rate. So these are all the values that you can select. Then we have low heart rate alert as well, so you can turn this on and you can turn on the lowest heart rate setting, and if your heart rate goes below that level, the watch will alert you that your heart rate is now below your set level. And then we have sedentary reminders here as well. So if you have a sedentary lifestyle, you are not that active in your daily routine, you can turn this feature on and it will actually remind you to just stand up and walk around and be more active. And if that's something you want, you can turn this feature on as well. Moving on, we have some extra features here as well. So we have things like music control, camera control, and alarm. So if you swipe up, you can go in music control and you can play and pause your music and control the music on your phone basically from the watch, which is great. We also have take photo mode here, so you can actually take photos from your watch on your phone. So for that, we need to go in settings here, go in take photo, and that turns on the camera on the phone, and then you can actually simply tap this button here to take the photo on the phone. So there you go, that it takes a photo. Now if we talk about the Tinwoo app, we have a few sections here. So on the home screen, you can see your daily steps, your distance covered, your calories burned, your heart rate, and your activity minutes, and your sleep tracking information here. Then you have a live tracking, activity tracking mode here. So you can simply go in here and you can tap this button and it will ask you what is it that you want to track. So you can select jogging, walking, cycling, and hiking, and once you do that, it will start tracking. Your watch will start tracking.
The tracking has begun.
Yeah, so there you go, and you can see some information here and the rest of the information on the watch as well. And then finally we have this settings section here where you can control different things. So you have your personal information here where you can put in your name, your gender, height, weight, and stuff like that. You can then go in device, and here you can change things like display, system units, temperature units, date format. You can also change your call alert settings, message alert settings, notification settings. You can turn on resting heart rate monitor, raise wrist to wake screen. So all that information is here. And then you can also go and look for your smartwatch. If that gets misplaced and you're looking for it, you can simply go from find my device here on the device in the settings. Then we have sports section here where you can put in information about your running stride, stride length, steps goal, calories burned goal. So different goals, you can put them in this section. Now guys, you can get this smartwatch from Tinwoo Tech's official website, which I will link in the description below. It is retailing for around $69 at the moment, but you can get a 10% discount if you use my coupon code, which is Digital Adventures 10, which I will also put in the description below, so you can use it. And let me know what you think about this watch, any features you like, and whatever you want to see improved in the next version of this watch. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.